Welcome home to 1164 East 16th, featuring a stunning Craftsman-inspired one-year-old home that offers a perfect blend of modern elegance and luxury. The main floor features gorgeous wood floors, a spacious open plan, and overheight ceilings. The stunning gourmet kitchen showcases beautiful lighting, brushed gold fixtures, a quartz waterfall island and countertops, high-end Fisher Paykel appliances, and custom cabinetry. There is a wonderful fireplace surrounded by custom millwork in the living room, and a charming window seat by the dining area, which has enough room for a large dining table if you love to entertain. Enjoy indoor-outdoor living in the south-facing backyard, which showcases custom floor-to-ceiling accordion doors that fully open to a spacious, private, sun-drenched yard. Upstairs, there are 3 well-appointed bedrooms with ample storage, and all 3 bedrooms come complete with ensuite bathrooms with marble tiles and rain showers. This home is complete with air conditioning, in-floor radiant heat, a spacious crawl space for storage, and a garage. This amazing home is located in the highly sought-after Cedar Cottage neighborhood, just minutes away to great schools, transit, and shopping.